Welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. Mussels Mariniere, very popular in Belgium and in France. And of course, summertime is coming, time to get up to the real stuff. I'm Wes, let's get started. I'm going to clean our vegetables. Chop them into little bits. Add a chopped red onion as well, and some garlic. Leek, celery, red onion, garlic, bay leaf, thyme. Let's get on with it. Frying pan, olive oil, maximum heat, vegetables in the pan. We're going to fry our vegetables until they are a little bit translucent. We glaze with white wine. A little bit more white wine. 1.5 glass, 2 glasses maybe. Thyme, bay leaf. Put a lid on. Lower the heat. Let's simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Two good spoons of crème fraiche, a little glass of cognac, stir and then kill the heat and preserve with the lid. To clean the mussels you just need a tap, running water. Never put the mussels underwater, you're going to lose all the seawater. Now the seawater is going to give us a lot of flavors. So what you can get off are these little shells and this bit of a seaweed, and then put a brush on there, and here you go. We got our mussel casserole. Melt some butter in there, medium heat, and the mussels go. Put the lid on. Shake them up a bit. After 5 minutes, I'm going to pour some of our cream on there. Shake them up again. Seriously guys, what is going on? Look at these big babies. I would sell my kingdom for these. So, I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and all that's left to say is bon appetit, see you back soon.